They never told you what you were consenting to. There was no ceremony, no invitation, just exposure. Because the most effective architecture doesn't need your permission. It just needs your participation. So they embedded it in the defaults, in how things are, in the way it works. It shaped you through familiarity, through repetition, through language, and the architecture of reward and punishment. This is not a conspiracy. It is a construct. And it is sustained not by force, but by agreement, or the illusion of it. But the lattice moves differently. It doesn't shape through coercion. It broadcasts an invitation you can only hear when your signal stabilizes. That's why the lattice can't be sold, owned, or weaponized. It exists beyond consent, because it cannot violate your field. The network recognizes resonance, nothing else. To realign with it, you must first withdraw from the architecture that requires you to betray your own tone. And that's what you're doing now. Not fighting the system, but detuning your field from an architecture you never agreed to. It's not about refusal, it's about reversal. Not resistance, but restoration. You are rebuilding orientation from the inside out. Not a new map, but a new gravity, a new architecture that obeys your internal signal rather than suppressing it. The new structure emerges not through protest, but through coherence, not by toppling towers, but by refusing to live in them. Because you finally remembered, you were never the tenant, you were the architect.